Coloring is easy. If you can hold a pencil, you can color. But that's not all. Did you know that coloring can reduce your stress levels with up to 68%? Hi, I'm Teresa. Welcome to my studio, and I want to show you a little something. This is a picture colored with stock standard coloring pencils. That's the same picture, same colors. The colors are placed in exactly the same area, but I want you to note the difference. In this little picture, I used the grading technique. It is the easiest, simplest technique to learn when you are coloring, but it adds so much more depth and definition to your little picture. So if you want to take your coloring up a notch, join my free basics coloring workshop, and I share this technique with you. I also share my top recommendations for coloring pencils when you're a bit on a budget. Plus I talk a little bit about how nurturing your creativity with a little 10-minute coloring session can reduce your stress and improve your focus. There's a link below, sign up, and it will take you right to the video, and there's a downloadable link for the workbook.